Good morning, my dear students. Today we shall continue the exercise 2.2. Already yesterday I have told you the basic proportionality. Once again I remind you that how that basic proportionality is utilized in solving the problems. See, first original statement A, B, C. Then xy is the parallel. First result we can utilize is in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, if xy parallel to BC, then say AX by BX equals to AY by CY. AY by CY. Okay, this is the result, that basic proportionality theorem. Now let us use this application of that theorem, basic proportionality theorem, in solving the problems. See, in exercise 2.2 we have the first problem. In the figure, DE parallel to BC, find EC in first and AD in second. Okay, now let us solve the first one. The diagram is given, that is AD length is given, BD is given 3 cm, and AE is given. They want the EC, how much is the length of EC. Okay, by PPT let us solve this one. In triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, what they have given a DE parallel to BC. Okay, now by basic proportionality theorem, AD by BD equals to AE by CE equals to AE by CE. This one is the proportion according to Thayer's theorem or basic proportionality theorem. AD how much they have given? AD is 1.5. AD is 1.5 divided by BD is 3 centimeter. Then AE is 1 centimeter. That is CE, that means EC or CE, same EC. So let us simplify this one by cross multiplying. 1.5 into EC equals to 1 into 3. That is 1.5 EC equals to 3 ones are 3. Now EC equals to 3 divided by 1.5. After simplification we have 30 divided by 15. So 15 ones are 15 twos are, that is equals to 2 centimeter. Which length is 2 centimeter? CE equals to what? 2 centimeters. C equals to 2 centimeter. See, once again we have utilized the statement of that basic proportionality. Here I have shown you that BPT result has shown. So according to that result I have solved this problem. So in triangle ABC, DE parallel to BC is given. We have to write the proportionality. Then after substituting the values given, then after simplification we have C equals to 2 centimeter. This one is the first one. Write down. See, now see that second problem. Question number 1, second one. See, BD is given 7.2, A is given 1.8, then C is given 5.4. So what we have to calculate? We have to calculate the ED. See, by referring once again that basic proportionality theorem, we can solve this one. See, in triangle ABC, what? B parallel to BC. B parallel to BC. Therefore, by BPT, by basic proportionality theorem, AD by BD equals to AE by CE. AE by CE, EC we can write. AD not known, that is BD 7.2 equals to AE 1.8, that CE, that is 5.4. Okay, by cross multiplication, AD into 5.4 equals to 7.2 into 1.8. Therefore, AD equals to 7.2 into 1.8 divided by 5.4. Now, let us simplify. 72, all numbers are having same decimal number of places. So, remove those. 72 into 18 divided by 54. 9 6s are 9 8s are, then 6 1s are 6 3s are, so 8 3s are 24. That is how much we get? 72. 9 6s are 9 8s are, then 6 1s are 6 3s are, 8 3s are 24 centimeter. How much is the AD? AD will be 24 centimeters. 24 centimeters. Okay, write down second one. Okay, AD by BD, AE by C is the proportionality. Then the value substitute. AD 7.2, 1.8, that is 54. 7.2 into 1.8. Here the same decimal places is there. So this one is the 0.3. 0.3 because this one is 1.8. Remaining are cancelled. So we have 2.4, that is AD equals to 2.4 centimeter. 2.4, that is AD equals to 2.4 centimeters. Okay, AD by BD, AE by C. You can also use that corollary of basic proportionality theorem. This one is very easy method. Okay, my dear students, see, this one is the second question of exercise 2.2. See what they have given in this case. E and F are the points on the sides PQ and PR respectively of triangle PQR. For each of the following cases, state whether EF is parallel to QR. That measurement is given: PE 3.9, EQ 3, PF equals to 3.6, FR equals to 2.4. See, we have studied the basic proportionality theorem in three cases. The first case is original statement that already I have given and written on the board. The second case is converse of that statement. Converse of that statement is, if the given sides are proportional, then the third side will be parallel to the intersected line. So that second one is corollary. Third one is that combined, the original statement and converse theorem combined will be given that corollary, that is the main corollary statement. So what that actually states, if xy parallel to BC, then AB by AX equals to AC by AY equals to BC by XY. See, this one is a statement. So, but in this case, we have to use what? A converse statement. Okay. Now let us consider in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, let EF parallel to Q1, then PE by QE equals to PF by FR by corollary of BPT. Reason I have by corollary of BPT. Now let us check PE 3.4, QE 3, that is equals to PE 3.6, then that is 2.4, 3.4. Now 34 divided by 30, here 3.6, that is 36 divided by 24. That decimal has been simplified. 6 6 are 6 4s are 2 15s are 2 17s are 17 by 15 is not equals to 2 2s are 2 3s are 3 by 2. 17 by 15 is not equals to 3 by 2. Therefore, that PE or EF is not parallel to QR. EF is not parallel to QR. So, this is parallel symbol. This is not parallel. So, EF is not parallel to QR. Why EF is not parallel to QR? Because according to condition given that the proportionality must be equal, that is 34 by 30, 3.6 by 2.4. After simplification we got 17 by 15 is equals to 3 by 2, but actually 17 by 15 is not equals to 3 by 2. Okay, now write down. Okay, P by QE, PF by PR, then 3.4. You make this one as 3.4. So here also 3.4. Okay. Actually that is 3.9, but I written P equals to 3.4, so I have modified that values. Okay. See the second one, that P equals to 4, Q equals to 4.5, PF equals to 8, RF equals to 9. Okay. Second one, in triangle PQR, let EF parallel to QR or assumption. So then PE by QE equals to PF by RF. PE 4 divided by 4.5, that is 8 divided by 9. After simplification, 40 divided by 45, that is equals to 8 divided by 9. 5 9s are 5 8s are. 8 by 9 is equals to 8 by 9. That implies, what it implies? EF is parallel to QR. EF is parallel to QR.
ತಳಿಸಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಯಾರು 20 ಮಿನಿಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ.
ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ರಿ?
ಹಾಂ
ತಗೊಂಡು 18 ನಿಮಿಷ ಆಯ್ತು.
18